Hello guys, I'm Shreya. Today in this video I will make a smart, elegant and beautiful design necklace. Hope you like this design. To make this necklace, we will first take 2 needles and nylon thread. Let's start making the necklace. First we will take 4 pieces 5 mm pearl. Now take 3 pieces 5 mm pearl in one needle and 2 pieces 5 mm pearl in another needle. In this way, we will continue this process for a total of 32 times. Friends, I hope you like this design. If you like it, please give us a like. Once 32 times are done, now we will take 3 pieces 5 mm pearl. Now we will make the rest of the design of the necklace. Rest of the necklace, we need 5 mm pearl and 10 mm orange color crystal. Now we will take a 5 mm pearl, a 10 mm crystal and a 5 mm pearl in a needle. Now we will take another needle through the last 5 mm pearl. Now we will take a 5 mm pearl and a 10 mm crystal. Continue this process for a total of 32 times. making this necklace design is complete. Now we will add charm ring and tassel. If you like our smart, elegant and beautiful but simple necklace design, then give a like. And don't forget to comment and let us know how you feel. And please support our channel by subscribing. Thank you very much for watching our entire video. Bye bye dear.